We regret to announce that this is not the case, as instead, we come tonight to bring you the sonic recreation of the end of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to hold your...
What's up, YouTubers? This is Tutorials of PC and Android. Follow on Twitter at ReverseFlux, and please subscribe and like. Now, this is strictly educational. And this might help if you're new to torrents or what torrent site to use, what torrent client to use. And this is based off my experience and what I feel comfortable with. So if you prefer a different torrent client, different sites, more power to you. But this should really help beginners. But first of all, on the website I try to stick to the Pirate Bay. If let me see here. thepiratebay.org, and it's a site that is used a lot for people that torrent. I mean, it's what I've always went with, and I try to stick with just the Pirate Bay. The format's really simple. I really like it. You know, you search something, but yeah. Anyway, but anyways, back to what we're doing. Another thing is this: I use uTorrent as a client. I'm kind of biased towards uTorrent. It's just something I really am comfortable with. I mean, they have other torrent clients out there, but uTorrent, in my opinion, I would say go for it, definitely, especially if you're new to torrenting or you're barely figuring out how to get into it and what you can do with it. Number 3, always use a VPN. A great VPN is Siphon 3. I will have link in description. It's completely free to use, and it just mask your location. So 4, have a good antivirus. I prefer 8VG. And lastly, be careful with what you download. Always be careful with what you download. But anyways, uTorrent will be in the description, and so will Siphon 3. And again, this is strictly educational, but just kind of going through here, you can see the types of things you can expect. And that's really one of the great things about torrents. I mean, in the Pirate Bay. Pirate Bay usually has new stuff every day. It has newest updates of whatever it is you may be getting. But yeah, anyways, this is just a little guide to help you out, and uTorrent will be in the description, as will Siphon. Another thing is the Siphon is really easy to use with uTorrent, and it's completely free. And finally, here we are. And now Siphon 3 is open, and it automatically connects to the fastest country, and so now you can privately, safely, and to kind of show you that the Siphon is working, I'm going to go to Netflix, and I live in the US, and it shouldn't pop up with it should pop up the current country that Siphon is on. There we go. As you can see at the top, Netflix United Kingdom. Last time I checked, I do not live in United Kingdom, but anyways,